Hey, Frank. Frank, hey, I need you to talk about this
Jody, I'm
police
on the
bike.
phone right now, okay?
Hey.
Hold on, I gotta go, Jody. Jody needs me.
You got to do this
Bye.
video.
What's up?
Oh,
The police bike?
yes. We want to talk about the police bike.
Okay, we have a 2021 police bike, and we just put the new Soundstream Radio in it, okay? Beautiful radio. Just figured out how to wire it in, little wiring differently from just a plug and play. So it needs a little bit of modification, only on the wiring, okay? So we just installed that. We installed a Sound Digital amp, 400 watt, with a set of front speakers. That package is a great package. Here's the radio right here. So with anybody with a police bike, we were initially only doing Sony 7000s, but now we have the new Soundstream Radio. Tony, you want to say a few things also?
No, I'm ecstatic that you figured out how to put the Soundstream in here, because this is way better than the Sony from a few perspectives. It's IPx6 rated, so it's waterproof. It's the stock head unit on the new Harleys. So no, that's awesome.
Well, not for anything, Tony, but I really did figure it out. I mean, a little duct tape and hacksaw, whatever, anything could work, right? All right, guys. If you have a police bike and you want a new radio, Daytona Cycle Audio, come see us during Bike Week. We've got plenty in stock. Thanks.